Hello, welcome to today's video. Today I'm on this road off Ngong Road, the one that heads to Jamhuri Showground. Please support the channel, subscribe. Thank you. So in this video, this road off Ngong Road is leading to the agricultural show grounds. So I'm going to give you a walking tour until the Nairobi Polo Club. I'm going to give you a short walking tour until the Nairobi Polo Club. So, first and foremost, this is the Talanta Sports Ground, Jamhuri Sports Ground. And not so far from here, we are heading to Nairobi Polo. And I noticed there is this company BM on the road located around here also. So that's what you will see on this road. I managed to enter the horses stable, so that's also that it will be coming towards the end of the video. So check out this video, my walking tour, just showing you this short I don't know how many kilometers. It's not a very long distance. So guys, I'm still on the road. Actually, I like walking because I'm getting a lot of exercise. So I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone. It's a beautiful evening. I'm just feeling the evening cold engulfing my face. So that's the gate for the Polo, Nairobi Polo. The pink. I decided to enter in to see and take a brief view of the grounds. It's a beautiful place where the polo matches normally takes place, polo sports. Also, I see people use it for exercises, running. Like today now, nothing is going on. So just get to see how it looks like from this brief clip. This disclaimer say, by entering an event, your entry and presence of the premises constitutes your consent to be photographed, filmed. Okay, so that is what they say there. When you enter here, you can be filmed or photographed. Okay, fine. So I'm heading out. I want to see if I can be able to see the horses. If not, that is fine also. Hello. So guys, I want to end my video here. Thank you for always watching. I've enjoyed my day here. Actually got a chance to look at the horses here, and thank you for always coming here.